Oh, lagay mo. Saan yung color niya? Okay, anong color yan, Joseph? You stay there. Sa loob niyang ano. Sige, usod ka pa doon. Yan, anong color yan, Joseph? Orange. Oh, what shape yung inaapakan mo? What shape is that? What shape is that?
Rectangle.
Huh?
Rectangle.
What shape is that? Go, Joseph.
Rectangle.
What shape is that, Joseph? Is it triangle or rectangle? Rectangle, okay. Balik dito. Go, sa line. Sa line. Sundan mo nga yung line. No, iwan mo na yan. Yan, okay. Line. Daan sa line. Okay, and you got? Oh, get ka ng isang color again. Ay, isa. Get one color. Go, Joseph. You get one color, Joseph. You get one color. Sige na. You get one color. Yan. Okay. Oh, yung mga nandyan sa ano, dito muna. Upo, upo. Si Joseph muna. Okay, what color is that, Joseph? Red. Oh, what shape yung inaapakan ni Joseph? Rectangle. Very good. Okay, one more. Get one more. Get one more. Come here. Lady, okay, anong color yan, Joseph? Anong color yan? Color? What color is that? Green. Oh, anong shape yung inaapakan mo, Joseph? What shape is that? It's a? It's a? Triangle. Very good. Okay, one more. One more, one more. One more. One more. Okay, what color is that, Joseph? Color? Blue. Oh, what shape yung inaapakan ni Joseph? What shape is that? It's a? Circle. Very good. Last one. Last one. Last one. Okay, last one. Come here. Wait lang, come here. Come here. Okay, last one. Okay, Joseph. Go,